From the time I become older, I become also choosy upon the color that I'm going to wear, especially when I have to go somewhere or attend the kind of celebration. I choose now mostly those safe color: black, brown, gray, white. And then it depends upon the accessories that you're going to wear, like jewelry, scarves, hats, or like that. I don't wear hats. I seldom wear scarves outside. From time to time, yes. Accessories from time to time, but I prefer very simple accessory from going out. And now when you see me here doing some video, I loaded myself with dangling earrings, with the rings of beads, a lot of them in fingers, and also staple of bracelet. But it's just like showing you the things that I made, how I'm going to kind of modeling it. But normally when I go out, I just wear simple accessories. And also for the color, I always choose the lighter tones. And I'm not really expert in giving access advices about accessories or moda. I just share with you my own personal choice, and everybody of us have different choices in fashion or dressing up or accessorizing. So it's depends upon how we are comfortable for what we are wearing, because it gives us a kind of confidence how to face people and how to go and mingle with them. So now you don't have to spend a lot of money to look good, to look nice, and you don't feel that you're out of the group. Just play safe and don't experiment, especially if you're going on a kind of occasion that you don't know so much of the people, because most of the time it turns a chaotic moment.